Mikayla here, and I am back with an updated, you feel me, an updated everyday makeup slay. Okay, it may look a little much, but it's not. So if you haven't already commented, liked, and subscribed, please go ahead and do that for me, because you know I'm trying to grow. 2018, 2019 coming up, so y'all please help your sister grow. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching this video. And yeah, that's it. So we're about to get right on into this video and get it popping. I have already did my eyebrows, as y'all can see, you know. So if y'all want a video on that, then I can do that, because the eyebrow tutorial, it got 10 times better. Alright guys, so first I like to start with my Too Faced Peach primer. If y'all can see that. This like is a really good matte primer that like works wonders, and you don't need a lot, like a pump or maybe even a pump and a half. I have a big face, so you know I have to use a little bit more than others. Yeah, so the foundation that I've started to use now that is actually really good, I really like it, is the 24 Hour Super Stay Full Coverage by Maybelline. That's right there. So I really just kind of put the pumps on my face, just because like I used to like draw it on my face. I put 2 pumps right there, and then I put like a little dot, like not even a full pump, but just I put a little bit on. And put my hair back, you know. Hold on, I'm about to go wet the beauty blender, because you need a wet beauty blender. So I'm back. Alright, so basically you know, you got it all wet, soaked up. Basically we're just gonna spread that all around, start blending into our skin, you know. We just gonna blend it down to the neck. You know, you just gotta make sure everything comes together, because like right here is light, so it all starts to come together. You see that? So yeah, we just make sure we blend that deeply into the skin, because you don't want to look 50 different shades, you know what I'm saying? Blend that foundation down the middle of our brows. You know what I'm saying? After you blend that all in there. 1 second, somebody's calling me. Hello? Say hey.
Oh.
Alright, sorry for that little interruption, you know. But yeah, we're back. So after I done applied the foundation and all that, I'm gonna get my concealer that I just bought, because your girl ran out. Okay, so I normally use 2 concealers. So for my eyebrows, I use RK by Kiss concealer in the shade Rich Caramel. Hold up. I get at the beauty supply. I get all my concealers at the beauty supply, because I feel like those are just good. This one and LA Pro Girl are exactly the same. Honestly, I feel like this lasts really good on my brows, because they don't fail me. But you know, the beauty supply I'm at now, they don't carry that. And this right here is $2.99 and this is $3.99. So they're really good. So basically I just get my LA Pro and I just put it under my eyes like this. Just under, you know, this is the highlighting section. So yeah, down the bridge of the nose. You know, you gotta glow here. I take my highlights very serious, because like, I just feel like when you're one shade, it's just so boring. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, feel me? Okay. So, alright, so after I did that, oh, and my LA Pro concealer, I am in the shade Medium Beige. If I didn't say that, I don't remember. But yeah, then we'll get our beauty blender again, and we're just gonna blend that out. And, you know, blend that evenly, because, you know, you don't want to look chalky anywhere and just discolored, because that doesn't look too good with makeup, you know. And for my beauty blender, this is actually Real Technique sponge, but I call it a beauty blender just because I feel like they work just as good. Like, my makeup looks really good with the Real Technique sponge, so I Love it. I've never tried a beauty blender before. It's always been like used on me, and honestly I can't even tell the difference. So if y'all believe that the beauty blender is better than the Real Technique sponge, you know, let me know and I might have to go cop that. So now that we did the highlighting, you know, because it's an everyday look, you know, you don't want it to be too intense, you know. You want to look almost as natural as possible, but pretty, you know what I'm saying? Because alright, and so now we're going to contour. This is the contour palette I use. The True Complexion Contour Palette, you know, by Black Radiance. I get this at Walmart. Some people can buy it at Walgreens. You might have to order it online. It all depends. I don't know, your area. Take my lightest shade just because it's a natural. Right here, this is a highlight and that's the darkest one. Sorry, it's like a little dirty. I've been using this for a really long time because I don't use too much. But you just kind of dab in there, and then I just go on the sides, just like a caramel tone, because you don't want anything to be like too dark and stuff like that. So, you know, I just go on the sides of my face for the little look, and yeah. You know, do that jawline, because, you know, sometimes when you eat a little bit too much and your face starts to look a little chubby, you got to contour to make it look a little slimmer. Just a little slimmer. Not too much, you know what I'm saying? Just do a little bit. You can see, that's how I look right now. My arms are really dark. So, now that we finished our contouring, I get my highlight. So, I get the Milani. I got this at HEB. I'm gonna swatch it for y'all real quick. So when I got this, I was really looking for a face wash, but then I saw it from like a distance and I was like, oh, that is so nice. And I believe it was like $10. I don't know, very inexpensive. So yeah, that's, see how it's just glowing right now, like, whoo, hold on. So I get my brush, and this came from like something I ordered off Amazon. I don't know, but I like it for some reason. It's really good to me. So just put some on there, and you know, we're gonna have, oh, hold up, don't play with them. It's very intense. Like, I don't know, sometimes I'll be a little nervous because it's so intense. Like, y'all, look at that. And we go, you know, get on that. That highlight is, y'all can't tell me that this highlight is not good. Like, $10. I don't even know if it was $10. I just know it was really cheap. And I was like, when I swatched it on my hand, I said, dang, this looks really nice. I'm gonna just kind of blend it out with a little brush I have, because you don't want to look like too much. So then I get it, I put on my nose and the bridge, you know, it's like a little nice glow here. I get my Coty Airspun powder, this right here, a little bit though. I don't do too much, and I just put on my chin, because my chin is where I get like the most oil, and then right here on my forehead, and then in the corner of my eye. And in my chin, I kind of just try to dab it in, you know. And then after that, we're going to take our, you know, little powder brush, and we're just going to dust it right off. This is the mascara I use. I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect mascara. And I put a lot of people on. It really works good, but I think I'm running out because sometimes it looks a little dry on my eyes. And as you can see, I don't have any lashes. Like, look at that. No lashes. Alright. Now let me put that on. I get my lashes, and the lashes that I use, this is a new pair. Actually, y'all are going to be the first. You and us together, we're seeing this for the first time. I don't know how it's going to look, but I like them. So, I use the Miss 3D Volume Lash. This is M811. So, they're really pretty to me. I normally use 102 in these, but I wanted to try something new. So, you know, we about to see how these look on me, because I don't know. So we're gonna blow that. These are really pretty. Like, we're about to see how this looks. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Wow, guys. These lashes are so dramatic. I like them, but they are very dramatic. I wasn't expecting this. I was not. Okay. Alright. So then I just get my mascara and I put it on my lower lash line. Y'all can see. We do our lips. We gonna do our lips. Okay, and then we get the eyeliner, you know, a little stick eyeliner. And I just make the bottom a little darker just because if my lashes look really like bold, I want my bottom eye to look a little bold too, just so it kind of comes together. Because then it looks like really, really fake. Even though, you know, everybody knows that these are my lashes, but you know, you want it to look like you want your look to come together and stuff like that. So then next for my lips, I get my NYX medium brown. I think this is a eyebrow pencil actually, but I use it as a lip liner because it just looks really nice. So I just line my lips. And then after that, I get my soft matte lip cream in the shade Stockholm. And I just put that on. My battery's about to die. And then, last but not least, I get this lip gloss that I got from Victoria's Secret. It's like in this pink shade. And then, oh, lastly, you know, sometimes you gotta fake it till you make it. And I do a little fake mole right here. And here. And this is your everyday makeup routine by Mikayla Kimbre. You know, hair's nice, hair's soft. If you like my hair, you know, I'm gonna put the type of hair this is down below and buy it because it's nice. Alright, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like my makeup look, my everyday slay, you know, and you want to see my dramatic glam, then I'm gonna surely get that to y'all. Just give me the feedback and I got you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because we are growing here, prospering all 2018, upcoming 2019. But just thanks, guys. Bye.